Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Youth Front hene ka Sngew Klapanlong Yak State Youth Conference halor ka phang Youth Power for Social Change haka baki samla na kalengka jilla kilawan banya shembenta habakran haka ne ka Sngew usambut Myntri rangba ka jilla uba Prestone tensong ulapan paw ya ka jing Sngew komen ba ka NPYF kalala ban penlong ya ka ne ka jing kando lang kaban long ru ka jing ai mensim ya kinong yalam jong ka seng Ulaban rap ru da kabaong bakom ki Myntri Sorkar ngi Sngew Marwei bat Sngew kumpa omdan badan lang bat ngi Khamtam ladangi Peit ya ka jingkren jong ki breu ha ki social media Henry mentangi tip ya ka jingklan jong ka NPP bat ya ka jingklan jong ki samla hapok ka jilla Ula ong ru baki dang don ki mat ka bangi hap ban pendem bat ngin sale ya kata ai baki breu ken kren kat baki mon Henry uong bangi don hangni ban train na ka banta ka jilla Nakalang u Presiden rangba ke NPP u Conrad Sangma. Ulapan paw ya ke jing Sngew ya kinong yalam ke NPYF. Kibalat ray shitom bat pen urlong ya kane ka Sngew. Ula ongru baki samla kilong kibadon kam na kabanta jong kaseng. Prapho person na kinong syongshnong kiday kibahapo kasawhosan snem karta. Habat ray na kabanta kaseng ka ay kabangi don kam kaday ban ken mau bangi day ban tray na kabanta ka jilla bat na kabanta kipat ba.
I don't want to prolong my speech much. I just wanted to tell you that such seminars or conference is very, very important for all of us. As rightly mentioned by Mr. Kit Borlang Nongrel, when we were busy in the secretariat. Sometimes CM, myself, or colleague ministers, we feel that we were lonely, as if no one's supporting us. And especially when you go back home at night time, what happened was, sometimes I used to see from YouTube, what a beautiful face of Conrad Sangma, of Prestone song, just like a tiger, sometimes just like a monkey. I mean, you know, before sleeping, I could see that picture, which really disturbed my mind. So therefore I used to tell my wife, please don't sleep with me. You please go and sleep yourself separately. It's so disappointed sometimes. But today, we know the strength of NPP. Today we know the strength of our youth in the state of Meghalaya. You really inspired us. There are so many more issues from now on which we are supposed to take up. And we are going to do it. Let people say anything. But, my dear friends, all party workers, be it parents' body, be it youth, be it women, we are here to serve the state of Meghalaya.
By one of the MLAs of the Trinamool, and he said that Chief Minister also will lose in his constituency in South Tura. No, I must thank him. I sincerely thank him, because now I will work harder. I will work harder. I'm not joking. I will work harder. Maybe there are things that I have not done correct. I'm not perfect. Nobody is. And this message I want to give to all of you. Election is not easy. Don't think you're going to win. You see, I tell everybody that there are two mindsets when you go to a battle. Two mindsets. One mindset is, I'm winning, don't worry, everything is fine. And one mindset is, anything could happen, we cannot leave anything for granted. These are the two mindsets that you can go with. In the first mindset, when you think that you're going to win, what happens? You take it easy. You're like, I'm going to win, so it's okay. That person waiting outside, let him wait. I'll meet him tomorrow. Or that villager is calling me, I went last week only, why should I go again? There is a sense of complacency. And complacency is not a good thing in elections. Trust me. I have contested 5 elections. Both the elections I lost because of complacency. The second mindset that you have is the mindset of, I may not win, I have to work harder. There is a fear inside you. Your back is against the wall. And when that happens, you become a fighter. Because you need to survive, you need to win. Remember, the mindset of a survivor is the kind of mindset that we want in every individual member of the NPP. Don't take it easy. Fear is a good thing. Fear is a good thing. Remember this. Fear that you may lose. Fear that we may not be able to form the government again. Fear that your candidate will lose. And that's where we start our work. Because if we already think that we are winning, then we are already coming down. So while we have a sense of confidence, while we should not be discouraged, because we know how things are, and we are very sure that we will achieve our target, the mindset is either complacent or either with fear. Complacency means take it easy. Fear means survivor and a warrior. Remember that humility is very important. You need to be humble. You need to realize that ultimately you are a worker of society, you are the worker of the party. I am a worker of the party. I tell in every election campaign I go, which is not my election, when I'm going, I tell the people while I'm giving my speech that I have not come here as a chief minister or a member of parliament that time. I told people that I've come here as a worker of this candidate and I'm here to work with you. And that's the mindset that all of us must have, and humility is very, very important as a party leader.
You take this up in right earnest and make sure that you play a very, very active role in this. He mentioned about so many things that the government has done. It is a very, very long list. It would take so much time to just spell out everything that the NPP-led government has done for the state of Meghalaya. But I think from the youth perspective, I would like to mention one very, very important intervention that the NPP-led government has come about, which is the youth policy. That, I think, encompasses and covers everything that is youth-related. To have come up with a youth policy is something I think is the greatest gift that the NPP-led government could have given to the youth of our state.
Of every change. If you remember any political development that happened in the world, it was the youth. Be it a dictatorial government, it's the youth who brought that government down. Be it any revolution, it was the youth. And well, I'll tell you, there is a saying that a society who do not respect its youth have no future. And that saying is true. Well, our national president, who became the chief minister, started his political career as a member of the youth, I think, in those days. Later on, become his president, and today he's the chief minister of the state. All of us start very young. I remember when I started my journey in politics, first from student politics, I was in class 9. Then when I completed my master degree, I became the president of our student union in our district. It is always from our younger days that we start with a dream and a hope to do something for the future.